Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will share our trading ideas of gold for intraday trading with all of you guys. So first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's analysis, and we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we given yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did these analysis, and we said we will open a sell trade below this support level, and we will buy trade above in this demand area. We will sell in this supply area, otherwise we will open a buy trade above this resistance level. You will not understand this video if you did not watch that video. In that video we did this analysis. So let's come to the point. So when market break this support level, we personally I didn't find any good confirmation for sell. That's why I did not open any sell trade, but our area worked very well. Our prediction goes 100%. We said that if market break this support level, there's a high probability chance that market will go in this demand area, and that happened. Okay, and after that, when market almost I think this candle was running, I have a work outside, that's why I go outside and didn't take any trade in this demand area. If I will available, I will open a buy trade here. In previous video I told you guys I will surely open a buy trade in this demand area, but I was not in front of my system, that's why I didn't open a trade. But the happiness is that our area worked very well, and our prediction goes 100% good. You can see I show an arrow here, and I said that if market go up from this demand, then there's a high probability chance that market will go up, and that happened. Okay, after that we said that we will open a sell trade in this supply area. When market was coming here, I was available. I didn't open any trade in this candle or in this candle. I mostly I open a trade in lower time frame after confirmation, but sometimes I use pending order, but yesterday I didn't use pending order. Okay, so when we look on M5 time frame, mostly I open a trade on lower time frame. That's why I told you for M15. I opened trade on M15 time frame. This was the supply area, and when market goes up, I didn't take a trade. Market goes down, then I was still waiting that if market come in this supply area again, I will open a sell trade, and that happened. I think in which time frame I open a trade, I'm not sure. I think I opened trade in M5 time frame. Yeah, so when market makes a resistance, minor resistance at this point, and the VIX showing that market can go down, then I opened a sell trade at this point. When we have a bearish candle at this point and the next one candle going down, so I opened a sell trade. If you can look on H1 time frame, our SL was almost 30 pips. I think my SL was above this supply area. So my SL was only I think 34 pips SL, and I used 1.3 risk reward, and I'm pretty sure that market will go down to hit my TP, but that didn't happen. Market goes down almost, yeah, my 20 was here. Market go almost 35 pips profit. Market go 35 pips in my favor. If you can look, market did almost 1 risk reward, but I was pretty sure that market will go down and I will get easily 1.3 risk reward, but that didn't happen. and market comes up again and hit my SL. That's not problem. SL is the part of the game. Okay, so now we are going to do some fresh live analysis, and we will give you trading ideas. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. And make sure you liked our video, and if you have any question you can ask in comment section. So let's remove these unnecessary things. Remove this. And oh sorry, I forgot, we told that we will buy above this resistance level, but we didn't find any good confirmation for me. That's why I didn't open a buy trade. So let's remove this area also. So now first of all we will go on H4 time frame and see what's going on here. Okay, fine, we remove this area, and I think we should remove this area also. So above this resistance we have a 60 pip range. Let's see if we can get any good entry in this range. Yeah, I think that will not a good trade. So basically I am looking for buy trade above this resistance. Today the last day of the week, so don't open any risky trades. I don't want to close my week in minus, that's why. Okay, so we have a minor support at here. Just look on 30 time frame. I think I'm H1 will be fine. Okay. That's not a good trade for me. Basically I'm looking for buy trade above this resistance level, or sell trade in this range. If market break this support level, then you can open a sell trade. In these two ranges I'm not sure that I will open any buy trade or sell trade, because today the last day of the week and I don't want to close my week in minus and don't want to take any risky trades. That's why I will open above this resistance and sell below this support level, and if market break this support level also, then sell below this support also. So these three trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups, and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on. And if you are looking for best forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you in next video. We'll have analysis. Take care. Bye bye.